I don't have a place to stay. I'm living under trees right now. I'm living under a tree right now. I need your help. Please send me money. Send me money. Where are you going? Okay, she's making her hair. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back and thank you for clicking. You're new here, you're highly welcome. I'm in Nigeria right now and I'm inviting you all to bring your problems to me. Let me solve it, okay? If you did have issues about my not being in Nigeria, you won't be campaigning for my return. Prophesy about it. You wish for it, you pray for it, you spread lies about it. You just want me back to Nigeria so that I can do you a favor. If you have any disease and you have any issues, any financial burden or any emotional burden, bring it on to me. I will help you solve it for you because I'm back in Nigeria right now. Dear Radi. How are you all doing? Thank you for stopping by. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. My name is Lillian. So guys, welcome to Nigeria. Officially, I now live in Nigeria because the cost of food in Ghana is too much and I cannot afford it. So I have come back to Nigeria. I hope that this is going to make you very happy and it's going to make your life better. If your life was miserable, because I'm back now, I'm here to heal you. I'm here to heal the land, okay? If you used to earn less before, now that I'm back to Nigeria and ready to suffer, I hope that they increase your money. Right, so that was a joke. I'm still living in Ghana, and by the grace of God, if I leave Ghana, I'm definitely going to go to any country of my choice, or I return back to my home country, Nigeria, or I stay here forever. Who is this? Hi guys. So I'm going to Medina to pick up some items for the house and also collect diapers and buy milk formula and collect their diapers both for Wendy and the newborn twins, and also fix my blender. If I cannot find where to fix it, I may have to buy a new blender. This is going against my budget already, but I cannot cope without a blender. I don't know if you can cope without a blender. For me, I cannot, because almost everything I do in the house, I use a blender. Without a blender, I cannot survive. I cannot cope. So if I can fix this one, I may have to buy a new blender, and that is not something I'm doing happily. So another thing is, I went to Nigeria to buy food, right? Oh, should we talk about it? That is actually small talk, because it's only a mad person, an unintelligent mind that will buy to such a story. I went to Nigeria to buy food because there's no food in Ghana. The price of food in Ghana is expensive, and your common sense did not tell you that I paid transport to Nigeria. And then when I got to Nigeria, I didn't stop in Lagos. I did not stop at Ogun State. I didn't stop in Ondo. I passed through Edo. I went to Asaba, Nigeria to buy food there and bring it back to Accra, Ghana to come and feed, because there is no food in Ghana. Do you have sense if you believe that kind of story? Yeah. Hey, how do you all hate like that with lies? You don't have to spend too much energy. Yeah, I went to Nigeria to do something else, which I don't need to explain to you because it is none of your business. Yeah, I went there to do something else, and I decided to buy, I hope that I've not deleted these clips here. I decided to buy vegetable. In case you don't know, I be a Goja person, I be a Goja woman, and you know there's something we call afang, eruru. There's something we call eruru, we call it afang as well, and some tribes in Nigeria calls it okazi. So, and then here in Ghana, you can only find the dry one because Ghanaians do not eat it. It is not something that they know. Even in some parts of Nigeria, they do not know it, sometimes on order. So Anytime I want to buy that in Ghana here, is usually the dry one, because when they bring it all the way from Nigeria, they have to dry it so it will not spoil. If it is not something that Ghanaians are familiar with, hello, this local Nigerian soup condiments, even if you didn't go to school, even if you don't have sense, even if your mother didn't raise you well, you should be able to know when somebody is lying. People in Nigeria, I know some people that will travel to the UK, they will dry away, they will dry other things, they will prepare things and take it there. Not because in the UK there is no food. I'm talking about indigenous food for the Nigerian people, things that strictly Nigerian people consumes. So if I go to Nigeria and I buy it, it does not mean that in Ghana there is no food. Okay, I eat Nigerian food, and it is my responsibility to buy them any way I want. And as a matter of fact, I wish I had. I'm giving too much energy. Normally, if you don't come on my channel after listening to lies, if you listen to those kind of videos and then you don't come on my channel, you enjoy it there and you stay there, you console yourself there on their comment sections, I don't have issues. But the only time it's crazy is as you continue to come on my channel to, I don't know why you act bitter. What exactly is your problem? I don't know. You're wishing the whole Ghana economy to melt down so that I will suffer. I'll come to Nigeria. Why exactly do you want me to come back to Nigeria? What is your profit? My suffering is giving you joy, or what exactly? Before, I have never at any point said that living in Ghana is cheaper than living in Ghana. Financially, living in Nigeria is way cheaper than living in Ghana. And for me to be here is not under any pressure. It is something that I had wanted to do long ago. I could not. And then finally, I was able to do it. And I'm here living my best life in my city where I want to live right now. And you guys are constantly on that. Nigeria, now go use money. Because of me now, dollar should rise to 50 cedi per dollar. That is going to give you joy. You forgot that there are millions of innocent people that have nothing to do with me. So if I suffer, because of me, the money should rise. You forgot that my little earnings, the little that I'm getting, the $50 that I get at some point in a month, it comes in US dollar. And it means that no matter how much the money rise, like Gary, my little money is going to rise along, and it's going to fit the cost of living at that time. When you are wishing, when you want to see other people suffer and you go to any extent, think about those that have done you nothing wrong. Think about them. For me, I have offended you, yeah, because I live where I want to live and I play by the rules. I did not go against the law of the land. I behave myself, and I'm very open about speaking out about my experiences here. And that is not what you want to hear. It hurts you when you hear that. You hear they do you bang, 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 bang. And because of that, you want the entire nation to go down so that I'll come out. Am I that big of a deal? Nigerian YouTuber, when I go use my money, they chop food, finish, and I not go fit. Huh? So, me right now, I'm richer than all of you, like, criticizing me and coming for me, because my heart is so big. I don't have it. I don't have money, but in my heart I am full of goodness for other people. I'm full of mercy. I'm full of compassion for others. You continue to wish me. You continue to wish me. You wish the whole nation to go to suffer so that I will suffer. What I have done to you, I don't know. It is okay. Continue to enjoy your lives, but don't come on my channel with the energy. When you hear, hey, she have run back to Nigeria because of food is too much, no problem. Just do what you want to do at their comment section. You don't have to come to mine to prove it. Okay, you can. You saw me here. You still act. You still attack. What is your problem exactly? I'm still in Ghana and I'm living my best life as always. It does not stop me. I have a God that provides for me. Anywhere I live, in the village, in the city, in a town, he will always meet me there at the point of my needs. Get used to it and stop wishing other people economy to melt down. completely. A loaf of bread is sold in Nigeria at ShopRite. It is sold for 1,000 naira right now, and a loaf of bread in Accra, Ghana at ShopRite, it is sold for 13 cedi. Make una dey use una brain. I'm not saying that living in Ghana is cheaper than, I've never said it's cheaper than living in Nigeria. I said me, I like it here, I want to live here. Any day, it's not even money that will send me back to Nigeria. It's just my personal decision to say, okay, I'm done living here, I want to go home. So it's not going to be because I run out of, hi neighbor, how's baby? It's not going to be because I run out of money to survive. That's why I came back home. Make una call head meal. That's what you want to see. Anything you wish me, you shall get it back in Jesus' name. Please help me say amen down there. Say amen down there. Whatever you wish me, you will get it. My heart is so big. Some of you will never ever try to do the things I do. Like, if you are in my shoes, you don't have much. For you to say, okay, I still want to be there for people who needs me. You can't do it. You cannot. I am doing it, and my God in heaven, Father Lord, He continues to shine His light upon me. Oh, so let's go to Medina and collect diapers, if you like. I don't know how to show off, I swear. I don't know how to show off, but I like to be real. Oh. When you are hating me, don't wish even people that their village is flooded right now. You're supposed to be out helping the people in need. Help the people of your community. That is how to show that you are a good person. Rather than come on YouTube to wish the economy of other nations to melt so that ordinary me will return. Don't abandon the people of your village. When my village had issues back in the days in 2017, I stood up for the women in my village in my own little ways. Then I wasn't even on YouTube. Getting money was very difficult. Like, getting people to help me help my people was super difficult. But hey, I did it. I did it anyway. So do it. Go help the people of your community, okay? They need it right now. This is the opportunity for you to prove that you're a good person. You don't have to come online to announce it. Hey, I be this, I be this. Just to help them, okay? And if you like, film and come, go watch. If you like, don't film it. We do charity work every blessed day. Even me like this, and with my influence, just I have called on people. Oh, please, I need you to help this person, and they have done it. Do it, okay? Do it and stop hating on me. I am a wonderful, wonderful, beautiful. You may never be that, actually. Let's go to Medina.
Ich führ dich aus dem Nebel heraus. Bring dich wieder zurück nach Haus, yeah. Lass uns einen Schritt nach vorne gehen, zusammen in die richtige Richtung drehen. Ich führ dich sicher von Ost nach West. Komm, halt dich an mir fest. Lass mich dein Kompass sein. Lass mich dein Kompass sein. Lass uns den Schritt nach vorne gehen, zusammen in die richtige Richtung drehen. Lass mich dein Kompass.
Right back at home, and of course I'm going to show you guys all that I got. So you can pick up your calculator and start. When you don't push my camera, you can pick up your calculator and then start calculating. This one I got for 28 cedis. I was able to fix my blender, thankfully. This particular brand, got it for 160 cedis. I bought a tin of baby formula for my sister's babies for 55 cedis. 6 cedi. 6. This one, nothing has happened, like it has not increased. And the reason it's open is because I wanted to test and see if it's the original one. If it was not the original one, because I opened it, I was going to pay for it, but I would look for the original one. That was why I opened it. So it is the original one after all. For 6 CDs. I used to buy it like that, 6, 8 CDs as the case may be. I got this for 20 CDs. Lush hair for 25 CDs. When they are braced to get their hair done by tomorrow. Diaper cream, and I bought it for 25 CDs. Okay, this is one thing that has really gone up. This I used to buy for 35 CDs. So on getting there today, they told me 45. To be fair, I don't have to argue with them much, because I can feel it. There's, you know, inflation everywhere. So definitely some people want to sell their old stocks for the new price, so that when they go back to buy, they'll be able to pay. So this one 45 instead of the usual 35. 45. I hope the calculator is worth it. Is this for my sister's twins, and I collected this for 90 CDs. Almost the same. Yeah, the last time I got it, before my sister actually put to bed, I got it for 90 CDs, like a month and a half ago. That was how much I got it for, and it's still like that. It's about 100 pieces inside. This one, hey Wendy, please go. I got this for praise for her school, snacks for her school, and I got it for 12 CDs. Yeah, 12 plus 90 CDs. This for 10 CDs. 3 pair of socks for 10 CDs. I spent a total of 450 CDs today to get all these things. Okay, stop hating, stop wishing people bad. It shouldn't be because of me, your hater, that you wish the entire nation for their economy to melt down. Ghanaians are going through a lot already, so leave it like that. Don't because of me wish them that. We are all going through something, okay? The inflation is all over the world. It's not here in Ghana alone, okay? And neither am I saying it is only in Nigeria. So if you claim that I've gone to buy food in Nigeria, it's a natural thing for me to be there, and I want to go. I need to buy vegetables, fishes, things that are normally, indigenous food for the Nigerian people. It is only a foolish person that will not buy when you went to your hometown where the thing is sold, and they leave you, not buy, you farming, you come back and come and buy. I'm not that kind of person. I'm a very real person, okay? I'm very smart when it comes to how I spend my money. So, alright, thank you for watching this one. I'll see you in my next one.